automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Autosmith Garage. Today's product review will be the Powerbuilt Unijack, model number 620471. A hydraulic bottle jack and jack stand in one with a recommended weight capacity of 6,000 pounds. First of all, I am not sponsored or affiliated with Powerbuilt products. I bought this Unijack for my own personal use as the emergency jack does not work well for a lifted 1998 Honda CR-V. This Unijack is a great alternative to emergency jacks for crossovers, SUVs, and pickup trucks with a higher ground clearance. A minimum of 11¼ inches of ground clearance will get your Unijack under your vehicle. Comparing this to vehicle supplied standard emergency jacks, the Powerbuilt Unijack will have a wider base for support and stability. Also, a safety latch in the event that the bottle jack fails. Due to emergency jack's instability, it is not recommended to go under the vehicle as the vehicle may fall off the emergency jack without the use of jack stands. The Unijack solves this problem by combining the jack stand and bottle jack together with added safety measures. Powerbuilt's Unijack is constructed with a heavy gauge wide steel plate for stability. The jack stand is welded to the base plate for rigidity and sturdiness. The bottle jack itself is securely attached to a welded bracket from the base plate and jack stand. No sharp edges were noticed, as most of the part of this jack stand have been smoothed out for rounder edges, so there is less chance of accidentally cutting yourself. Powerbuilt's Unijack uses a standard bottle jack with the typical two-piece handle. The bottle jack release valve is located at the bottom, using the open end part of the handle as the tool to open or close the relief valve. The adjustment saddle for this model 620471 has 5 settings to get the pad as close as possible to the frame of your vehicle prior to pumping the jack to raise your vehicle. There is a similar all-in-one vehicle jack stand that says 3 tons, yet it only has 3 settings to the saddle. The competitor's all-in-one jack does not have a beefy construction as the Powerbuilt's Unijack. Powerbuilt's Unijack is easy to use. With the saddle at the lowest setting, the bottle jack fully retracted, its height is at almost 11 inches. To put the saddle to the highest setting, remove the locking pin, extend the saddle, line up the holes to push the lock pin through. While pumping the bottle jack, the safety latch will automatically release to catch the next highest safe setting. The safety latch can be identified at its next safe setting when the lever lowers to the bottom of the jack stand's neck. At full extension of the bottle jack, the jack stand's height sits around 21 inches. Yet to have it seated to the safety latch, it will lower near to 20 inches. The two-piece handle uses a large knurl knob to easily screw and unscrew the handle together. The two-piece handle will, when joined together, will extend to 14 inches. Enjoy the video as I operate the Unijack on my CRV. I highly recommend this Unijack for lifted first gen CRVs, as this is a better jack to use in emergencies and it takes a very little room in storing it in the car. Check out my links in the descriptions below to get yourself a Powerbuilt Unijack. Don't forget to run over the like and subscribe button so you don't miss on the upcoming videos. This is Autosmith Garage, your automotive hobbyist. I hope you enjoyed this product review of the Powerbuilt Unijack.